it's Muhammad Rafiq Kamil. My name 44250487 from class 441C01. Okay, today I'm going to share my opinion about Indonesia versus Bahrain match result. Okay, I just watched the Indonesia versus Bahrain match, and wow, what a games! Maybe the result was not we expected, but there's something to be proud of. Our team showed fighting spirit, teamwork, and passion. Even when we face a tough opponent like Bahrain, we didn't give up. Of course, there are things to improve like defense and ball control, but that's part of games. We win, we learn. I hope the next match brings better results, and we as supporters must keep our spirit high. Garuda di dadaku, merah putih sampai mati. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to part 2, simple present tense. My name is Muhammad Rafiq Kamil. My name 442504887 from class 441C01. Okay, understanding simple present tense. Simple present tense is a form of time used to express habits, general facts, and conditions that occur regularly or are always true. Definition: simple present tense is used to describe habits or routines, general truths, fixed arrangements, or schedule. Example sentences: I head to class each morning. He streams that out guitar sometimes. The sun comes up from the east. Subject plus verbs agreement. I, you, we, they use base verb when it's he, she, or it does an a, s, or s at the end instead. Formula positive. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. For example, number 1, I grab my morning meal around 7 o'clock. Number 2, he flips the page. Formula negative. Subject plus done or dance plus use action word based from. For example, number 1, I don't like coffee. Number 2, he don't play football. Okay, next. Formula interrogative. Do, does, plus subject plus verb 1. For example, do you study English? Number 2, does she cook every day? Use 1, habitual action. Use simple present for things you do regularly. For example, I scrub my campus each dawn. Next. Use 2, general truths. Employ it when stating things that never change. For example, water turns to steam when it hits 100 degrees Celsius. Use 3, schedules events. Try it out with schedules or set routines. For example, the train departs at 9 in the evening. Use 4, stative verbs. Some verbs describe states, not action. For example, know, love, believe, want, and understand. Common sometimes expressions: now and then, most day, quiet 5 times, once in a while, not at all, each morning when it's Monday. For example, she sips tea every dawn. Be careful with do and does. I do it, that's me, you, us, or them handling the action. He, she, or it, that's when you use does. Tick 1. Complete the missing parts. Fill in the blanks. See blah 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 cats. The answer is C like cats. Number 2. They blah 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 go to school every day. The answer is they go to school every day. Practice 2. Change into negative. Number 1. He plays football. He blah 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 play football. The answer is he does play football. Number 2. I read a book. I blah 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 read a book. The answer is I don't read a book. Practice 3. Make a question. You speak English, blah blah blah. You speak English. The answer is do you speak English? Number 2. She ate rice, blah blah blah. She ate rice. The answer is does she eat rice? Common mistakes. He go to school. He goes to school. She don't like it. She don't like it. Recap. Use for habits, facts, and schedule. Add SS for he, she, it. Use do, does for negative add and question. Conclusion. The simple present tense is the foundation of English grammar. It helps us talk about things we do every day, facts and general truths, fixed schedule and routines. Remember these case points. Use best verbs with I, you, we, they. Add as for he, she, it. Use do, does for question and negative. Mastering these tense means your describe your daily life simple and correctly. Okay, thank you. That's my presentation. Okay, thank you and free Palestine.